What is happening, party people? Welcome to Brett Jackson Boogie's Happiness in Retirement. And today I'm going to talk to you about how I start my little pepper seedlings, how I grow peppers. This is a beautiful pepper from my garden. It's a bell pepper. If you leave it on the plant, it'll turn red eventually, just an FYI. But what I do is I'll take the seeds out of an existing bell pepper that I have before we eat it, and I'll put the seeds in a paper towel and wet the paper towel, and then I'll fold it up, and then I'll put it in a Ziploc bag like so. In the Ziploc bag, wet, fold it up, shut the Ziploc bag, and then I'll put it on my windowsill that has light. And I'll leave it there for a couple weeks until you start seeing these little sprouts. Here's a picture of some sprouts. Then I will put them in little planters with some soil after they've gotten, tall enough that they can withstand some watering. And here's a picture of that. And then, basically, I just let them grow to be bonnie plants or bigger plants. And then I'll put them, when they get maybe 6, 8 inches tall, I'll put them in a grow bag. And eventually, they will turn out like this. So there is a beautiful pepper plant from my garden that is 2 years old now, by the way. And I made a previous video on how to overwinter your pepper plants. You can do that, and apparently they can last for like 10 years. But anyway, check that video out. So if you like my material, hit subscribe or go to the next video. Peace out and thanks.